Hey everybody, it's Joe Baker, the 401k guy. Today I just want to talk about a couple of the boxes you see when you first log in on your dashboard. So let's just get right into it. The balance box here just shows you what your balance is, and vested balance just means if there was any profit sharing or any matching that was subject to a vesting schedule, that might be a little bit lower. But in this case, your vested balance should always equal what your main balance is here. So you can just click on that and break it out, and it'll show what fund you're in and how the money is allocated per each fund. And so this just gives you a little bit of breakdown. You can click on see more, and this will just give you a little bit better breakdown of what's available and how your monies are distributed through each of the funds. Okay. And then we just go back to dashboard, and then let's look at a performance real quick. So here it shows it's up 7.5% from July 15th to November 11th. And again, you can click on this and get a little bit more of a better breakdown. And this just kind of shows these steps are each time a contribution is made from your paycheck, so they pop up. And you can see right here in August, the balance was actually less because the market was going down at that point. So you see the little bit of red, then you see how it's starting to recover, and you can see the green, and now you see the difference between the net investment and the market value. And so when you have a positive gain, you're going to see the green. And again, you can come in here and break this down a little bit more. And the way you could do that is look at different funds. You can look at them all, or you can look at each fund individually and see how they did. And so it's kind of cool if you want to see which funds are performing well, which funds are pulling the most weight in your account. All right, let's go back, and then the other one I just wanted to look over real quick is statements. A lot of times you might need statements for tax purposes or for applying for a loan. Sometimes they need to see your asset values, and so right here you just click on it and just get your statement and print it out. And you can also do some with a little bit more detail. You can have a custom statement period, like if you just want the last month instead of the last quarter, you can do that as well. And that's really it. Nice and easy. But again, there's a lot of different features in these boxes. You just got to start clicking into them and explore them a little bit. But again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Give me a email, or give me a call, or shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right? Until next time, take care, guys.